Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing an alarming warning for investors from one of the most respected figures in the world of finance, Charlie Munger. Munger, who is the vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway and Warren Buffett's right-hand man, recently made a prediction about the state of the stock market in 2024 that has many investors concerned. In this video, we will be examining Munger's warning, what it means for investors, and what steps you can take to protect your investments. So let's get started. Charlie Munger is a highly respected figure in the world of finance, known for his exceptional analytical skills and his ability to identify investment opportunities that others may overlook. As the vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, Munger has played a key role in the success of the company, and his insights and wisdom are widely sought after by investors around the world. Munger's recent warning about the state of the stock market in 2024 has caused concern among many investors, as it suggests that the current market conditions may not be sustainable in the long term. Munger's warning is based on a combination of factors, including high levels of debt, low interest rates, and inflation, which he believes could lead to a significant downturn in the stock market in the coming years. While Munger's warning is certainly alarming, it's important to remember that it's just a prediction and there's no way to know for sure what will happen in the future. However, investors should always be prepared for the worst-case scenario and take steps to protect their investments, such as diversifying their portfolio and investing in safe haven assets like gold. Munger's warning is based on several factors that he believes are contributing to the current state of the stock market. One of the main factors is debt. Many companies and governments around the world have taken on high levels of debt in recent years, which has led to concerns about their ability to pay back those debts. Low interest rates have made it easier for companies and governments to borrow money, but it has also made it harder for investors to earn a decent return on their investments. Inflation is another factor that is contributing to Munger's warning. As the cost of goods and services rises, investors are likely to see their returns eroded by inflation. Munger believes that these factors, combined with a number of other economic and geopolitical risks, could lead to a significant downturn in the stock market in 2024. Munger's warning has caused many investors to worry about the potential impact on their investments. If Munger's prediction does come true, it could result in a significant downturn in the stock market, leading to losses for investors. However, it's important to remember that Munger's warning is just a prediction, and there's no way to know for sure what will happen in the future. That being said, it's always a good idea to be prepared for the worst-case scenario. Investors should take steps to protect their investments, such as diversifying their portfolio across different asset classes, investing in safe haven assets like gold, and keeping a close eye on their investments to ensure they're not taking on too much risk. By taking these steps, investors can reduce their exposure to market volatility and ensure they're prepared for whatever the future may hold. There are several steps that investors can take to protect their investments in the face of Munger's warning. One of the most important is to diversify their portfolio. By investing in a variety of different assets, investors can spread their risk and reduce the impact of any one asset on their portfolio. Another step investors can take is to invest in safe haven assets like gold. Gold is often seen as a safe haven asset because it tends to hold its value during times of economic uncertainty. Finally, investors should keep a close eye on their investments and make sure they're not taking on too much risk. By monitoring their investments regularly, investors can make adjustments to their portfolio as needed to ensure they're not overexposed to any one asset or sector. Charlie Munger's warning about the state of the stock market in 2024 is certainly alarming, but it's important to remember that it's just a prediction. There's no way to know for sure what will happen in the future, but investors can take steps to protect their investments in the face of uncertainty. By diversifying their portfolio, investing in safe haven assets like gold, and monitoring their investments regularly, investors can reduce their risk and ensure they're prepared for whatever the future may hold. Thanks for watching our video on Charlie Munger's warning for investors in 2024. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more financial news and insights. Thanks for watching.